Have you ever walked out of a yoga class with wrist pain, shoulder tension, and sore lower back and thought, maybe yoga is not just for me? You're not alone. So many beginners start yoga with excitement and end up with stiffness, pain, and fear of continuing the yoga classes. Here's the truth. Yoga is never meant to hurt. But when we jump into the poses without understanding the alignment and anatomy, even something as beautiful as the Sun Salutation can slowly wear down your joints, wrists, and lower back over time. Today, I'll show you how to do the 12 Sun Salutation steps, beginner-friendly, safely, so that you can enjoy your yoga practices without any pain or aches in your body. Welcome to SG60 Yoga Wellness Series. I am Ranjani, an internationally certified yoga therapist, pregnancy yoga teacher, author and founder of Aathmik Yoga. If you're new here, I would invite you to check out the previous episodes from the playlist attached in the description box below. Trust me, you will relish each and every one of those. Before we begin, I want to hear from you. Which is the most hardest or confusing yoga pose? Just drop it in the comment section below. I might address it in detail in my next video. Let's get started on our mat in the beautiful Clementi Oats Park for this show. Let's begin to correct each and every step of the Sun Salutation on our mat, beginning with a prayer pose. The common mistakes in the prayer pose is spreading the legs wider and slouching the shoulders, gazing down or leaning to one side of the body. To follow the correct alignment, keep your big toes touching each other. There are exceptions to this. Give a slight bend in your knee. Roll your body upwards. Push your chest forward. Your shoulders should be relaxed and bring your hands to the center of your chest. Press your palms evenly and lift your elbows, keeping your palms in Anjali Mudra or the Namaste Mudra, and elongate your spine tall. If your feet turn outwards while you're practicing Tadasana, use a yoga block to train your feet to stay together like this. Stay here with a gentle smile. Traditionally, Sun Salutation is to pay gratitude to the sun. Now, we can use this place to set the intention of our practice. Pranamasana pose centers your mind and connects breath with gratitude and intention, improving your focus. And let's move on to the second pose, Hasta Uttanasana. For this, the general common mistake is taking your hands up above your head and bending from your lower back. When you bend from your lower back, it compresses the spine and strains your lumbar area. Instead, lift from the chest, lengthen upward, not backward. Also, the legs will be spread apart, pushing the stomach forward and doing the pose. This is the common mistake. Let's correct it. The perfect way to perform Hasta Uttanasana: keep your big toes touching each other. Again, a slight bend in your knee and push your chest forward. Inhale, straighten your hands up above your head, closer to your ears, and press the palms together and slightly push your chest forward. Wide open your shoulder blades. Don't drop your head back suddenly. It strains the neck. Lift from the chest, gaze softly at your thumbs, and keep the spine long and open. People with vertigo, be cautious with your head movement. There is no need to go way beyond your limit. You can do it, but do not do it from your lower back. Do it from your chest. And make sure you're not moving your pelvis way forward than your toes. Even if you do not have lower back issues, this will cause an injury over a period of time. So avoid stressing your lower back in Hasta Uttanasana. And for the third pose, Padahastasana, the common mistake is trying to reach for your toes. You stretch your hamstrings and you round your spine and reaching for your legs. Rather than this, let's learn the correct posture. Keeping the big toes together. Straighten your body in Tadasana. From Hasta Uttanasana, bend forward from your hip, not from your spine. So you need to bend forward in 90 degree first. And slowly, see, my back is straight. And slowly try to bend forward from the hips and reach for your toes. If you feel it's quite hard, you feel a lot of stiffness in your hamstring muscles, there can be a slight bend in your knee and you can keep your hands to your toes, or you can keep a block over here. Usage of yoga properties is very good to improve your alignment and to take care of your anatomy. If you have high blood pressure, back pain, heart issues, or you are pregnant, take it easy and modify your sun salutation. Yoga should make you feel better, not tired or stressed. Listen to your body and move with care. That's real strength. And for the fourth pose, Ashwasanchalasana, we are going to transition from the Padahastasana into Ashwasanchalasana. For this, slightly give a bend in your knee, press your palms to the sides of your mat, take your right leg back and keep the front leg 90 degree. The head should be tilted backward, the back arched and the inner gaze directed upward to the eyebrow center. Or you can look straight. Correcting mistakes is not weakness, it's how we grow safely on the mat. Let me tell the common mistakes. The common mistake is either moving the leg forward, dismissing the 90-degree angle, or keeping this leg too close and doing like this. So keep the front leg to 90 degree, keeping it way closer will not stretch your quad muscles, your thigh muscles. So push this leg a little bit backwards as much as possible. So you feel the stretch in your quads and keep the feet flat and press your palms evenly on the mat or on your fingers, or you can use yoga blocks to your sides to lift yourself up. Hold it here in Ashwasanchalasana. Using props isn't a sign of weakness. It's a smart way to deepen your practice safely. If you're interested in deepening your wellness journey, check out my book, Yogic Secrets of Eating. Purchase link is in the description box below. And the fifth pose is plank pose. So from here, from Ashwasanchalasana, take your leg back, tuck your toes and lift your body. This is the plank pose. Hold it here. Keeping your fingers closer to each other. This will affect your wrist. So try to widespread your fingers always. Tuck your toes evenly. Engage your core. And try to hold it here. Look straight. A common mistake in plank is letting your hips sag or lift too high, which strains your lower back. Instead, engage your core, draw your navel in, keep a straight line from head to heels and press through your shoulders. Feel strong and steady, not bent or collapsed. From plank, let's do the Ashtanga Namaskar. Lower your knees, chest and chin. It's a reminder to stay humble and strong, uniting effort with surrender. Common mistake is bringing the elbows to the floor before bringing the chest to the mat. This brings a compression or strain on the neck area. Also, your chin should be touching, not your face. Another common mistake in this Ashtanga Namaskara is trying to lying down and lifting the hips up. No, this is not the correct way to do this pose. Strengthen your arms and chest before trying the Ashtanga Namaskara. From here, just slide your chest forward and push yourself into the Bhujangasana. And the most common mistake in Cobra pose is slouching the shoulders. Let me show the improper way. In Cobra, trying to hold your neck like this. So this will not work on the correct muscles. Try to push your body downwards, expand your shoulder blades. Your shoulder blades should be moved away from your ears and try to look up. And do not spread your legs wider. Keep your legs closer to each other and feet flat. This is the most common mistake in Cobra. It's okay if you can look straight, but if possible, you can try to look up and stay. This pose awakens your spine and boosts your confidence. Thiram Sukham Asanam. Let's push into the downward facing dog. From here, lift your body up, press your palms, widespread your fingers, tuck your toes and push your chest forward. Let me tell the most common mistake here. If your heels are not touching the mat, it is okay. You don't have to round your spine. Generally, people do not care about the upper body. They just try to press the feet on the mat. This is not downward facing dog. You need to pull your spine upwards. So press your chest. If your heels are not touching the mat, you can also give a slight bend in your knee and push your chest inwards and open your shoulder blades. Even if your heels are lifted, it is okay, but just try to pull your hips upward, your navel point upward and stay here. If possible, you can bring your heels to the mat and hold it here in Adho Mukha Svanasana. This is the perfect way to do the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Once you finish all the poses, just remember to rotate your wrist, take a couple of deep inhalations and exhalations and relax yourself. Got yoga related questions? Join my WhatsApp group with 500 plus members for support, or follow my channel for updates if you prefer privacy. Links are in the description. Let's do all the poses in sequence on our mat. For the first pose, big toes touching each other, hands to the sides of your body. Push your chest forward, lift your shoulder blades upwards and bring your hands in prayer pose. Setting the intention of your practice, take a couple of long inhalations and long exhalations. And from here, lift your hands closer to your ears and open your chest. And do not strain your lower back, just try to push your chest forward and look up. From here, hinge forward from your hips, trying to maintain a straight spine and reach for your toes. If needed, give slight bend in your knees, feel the stretch in your hamstrings, and bring your head down without any control. And now press your palms to the sides of your mat. Take your leg back, flatten the toes, and try to look up. The leg should be 90 degrees. This pose stretches your hips and builds focus, helping you stay grounded and alert. And from here, take the other leg back. Push yourself into the plank. Hold it there. Keep breathing. Engage your core and feel your strength. This pose builds stability and power from within. Comment down how long you can hold the plank pose. Do not slouch your hips. Lift it high. Hold it. Engage your core. And now drop your knees. Drop your chest and chin to the mat. Surya Namaskar. Now slowly slide forward. Feet flat. Wide open your shoulder blades and cobra. And now from here, push back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feel your body stretch and your breath reset. Energy flows through every cell. From here, take the other leg to the front. 90 degree, back leg straight, and look up, Ashwasanchalasana. Balancing both sides of the body helps create harmony. From here, tuck your toe, push the leg forward, coming back to forward fold, big toes touching each other. Keep your back straight and bend forward from your hips and reach for your toes. And now again, slowly roll up. Take your hands up above your head and open your chest. Move your chest forward, Hasta Uttanasana. And bring your hands to the center of your chest in prayer pose once again. Repeat it for 2 to 4 rounds or even more than that. The benefits of sun salutations are numerous. Remember, yoga doesn't hurt you. A wrong alignment does. Every correction you make today is a step towards your healing, not just for your body, but for your awareness. Listen to your body every day. Tell me in the comments which of these 12 poses is the most challenging for you. Let's make this journey safer and stronger together. If you like this ST60 Yoga Wellness series, then do like, share and subscribe Aathmik Yoga. See you again on your next XT60 Yoga flow. Until then, Nandri.